Hello, Uncle Bill. We just got off the phone, and I thought I would take a quick video. So, this is our little house, and that's our big barn behind. And it's getting dark, but the camera's picking up the light pretty nicely. So those are our neighbors. We like a big field for a neighbor. And walking toward the backyard. It's not a very pretty time of the year. All the leaves are gone and so forth. But everything's pretty much the same as when you were here last time, other than the barn. Now we'll walk into the barn. Don't know how well it'll video in here. The 55. The Studebaker. So, then kind of spinning around to the left, Dana's car. My shop area, that's my Studebaker motor underneath there. Toolboxes. Trying to walk gracefully, I don't know how well I'm doing. But there's the truck. These are the bikes we ride the most right here. So my KTM, the Tenere, my Harley, Dana's, little moped behind. Over here, sandblaster, drill press, grinder, parts washer, spare parts. Coming up the steps. These are the bicycles we ride on the trainers, where we watch TV on the little TV. More spare parts, clothing, other bicycles. Kind of looking down on the shop. Oh yeah, I forgot to... Oh, by the way, little 50s diner booth up here. A line of motorcycles. A couple old Hondas, 1969 and a 71. And then a few over there on the other side of the 55. So, hopefully I wasn't too shaky, but I wanted you to at least see my shop.